Hey guys, welcome to Social Nerd. This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I will show you how to change the Instagram app icon on your Android and iOS devices. In order to get started, first you need to go to the Play Store and search for Nova Launcher. Nova is the original and most polished customizable launcher for the modern iOS and Android devices. Once you download it and make some changes to your settings, it replaces your home screen with one you control and you can customize it. You can change the icons, layout, animations, and more for your applications on the mobile device. Once you download this app, you need to install it, and now you can see it on your home screen. Now open Nova Launcher. Now once you are inside the Nova Launcher app, make the changes as per your need. Now once you have made changes for your Nova Launcher, you can see your screen something like this. Here you can see Instagram. Now in order to change the Insta app icon, you need to tap and hold on it. Here you can see the edit button. Tap on edit and make some changes for your Instagram icon. Now once you tap on the Instagram icon, you can see the gallery apps option here. Tap on it. Go to the gallery and choose the icon as per your need. Once you are done, tap on done. Tap on done again. Now you can see you have successfully changed the icon for your Instagram application. This was the easiest way to change the Instagram app icon on your Android and iOS devices. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Thank you.